Education Matters is brought to you by Temple College.
My name is Christy Ponce, President of Temple College, and today I'm here to talk about the importance of taking time to visit a college campus, especially your local community college that's in a convenient location near you. Here are the top 5 reasons why you should schedule a campus tour, attend a college open house, or just stop by anytime and visit your local college campus. Number 1, you get to meet college faculty. What a great way to meet the talented professors that can tell you all about the exciting programs and what careers and opportunities they lead to. Number 2, become familiar with the campus. Take a tour and walk into the college classrooms and see some of the amazing hands-on equipment and technology that you would be learning on. Number 3, learn about college pathways. There are many degree and training opportunities available, so if you're not sure what you want to do, that's okay. We can help you explore the right college path for you. Number 4, meet college staff. A friendly team is always available to answer any of your questions and guide you through the many resources that colleges have to offer. Number 5, meet other students. Visit a college campus today to see students learning and hear directly from them about their experiences and their advice about why college is the right choice for you. It's never too early to visit a college campus, so visit us today.